What's in the box? Well, it says it's an LG panel TV, but no. A friend of mine gave it to me because it was cheap, nasty. It was a, not cheap, nasty, it's a Hisense, but I'm going to give it a repair job and see if it comes up alright, because it's a 65 inch, and if I don't keep it, someone I know will keep it. And hey, it's just good fun to repair shit, especially in the shed. If you can see some solar panels, ignore them, ignore them, because they're not today's video or show. They're for another day. So we'll open this up and see. This is going to be really quick. I've tested the fuse is intact. Some of these are open circuit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this whole board, saving time and effort. I will put a power cord in just to check it, but I'm pretty sure that this board has gone. So that's your main power board, your communication or your processors up the other end, and this is your infrared well, actually it's more the controls the screen and talks to it. It's a multiplexer. So, and then you got some speakers, not much to it, and pretty easy to fix. So if you've got one of these and you need to fix it, it's not hard. Anyway, catch you on the next one. We should be fixing it. Guys, just received the new board. Now I noticed there was a lot of build-up of, I'd call it a bit of dust and stuff around here. Now that cap there on this one has a totally different cap. It's been replaced, and if I turn it over I'll probably see that it's been replaced if I'm really lucky. Okay, probably not. Maybe not. If I can see it. Try and mark it out for you, but above 3 points. So here, right over here. So C832. Whoever sold it didn't do a really good job of it. Once I take that one off, I'll be able to tell. Due to my experience when I used to do repairs of boards, those type of caps, these are a different cap too, so maybe I might be wrong there, but the fault is definitely in the cooler area, because it's the standby voltage. So somewhere in the cooler area should be the fault, not the hot area. But seems to be back to front. Don't know why, but I might go through and have a look if I can find the fault on it afterwards. But I'm just going to change that board over. It came in real quick, and see if it works. After taking the backing off and cleaning it, I've noticed this area here is all covered in something like sticky something. It's like oh yeah, it's a polymer, so they've covered it. They haven't done it on this one. Don't know why, but they've done it on that one. So I'm not 100% sure why they've done that. Anyway, let's keep working. Popping back the board, there's locator lugs once you've folded these in. Now these connectors are really poor, old. I'd say this is an old board. I will put the one down here that came out of it in, once I get that in the right spot, and I'll screw them all back in. There's 4 screws. That one there is not used, but look at the condition of that. Doesn't look in good nick. I don't know where it's come from, but it's not good. I'm going to clean it up and maybe put a bit of solder on that. Straight away, the backup light's on, so I should be able to turn it on. I hear it going, it's flashing, and display is on. You can see the light coming through here, and the board is up and running. So 60-inch TV. I think the board was about 80 something bucks. A lot cheaper than buying a brand new TV. It is 3 years old, but I'll be happy to use that. I'll just have to, I'm going to play with that and see if I can fix it, because I might need a second hand backup. So other than that, I'll turn it off, and I'll leave it, put the back on it, and sit it here and monitor it for a couple of days so I can get it right. Anyway, that's it from me for the day. Catch you on the next one. Okay, so I've fixed the TV set, and I'm just playing it for a while to see if it has any faults, as I used to do when I fixed tellies when I got out of the military. I do a lot of stuff around here. Over there is my test rig for redoing code on cards, network cards and things. I have a lot of stuff around here. I work very, very diligently on different electronics, on different things. And yeah, I've got to fix up the server next. My virtual server kind of crashed because of the GrowWatt. The GrowWatt's getting replaced. Anyway.